Okay, we've got a gorgeous 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport Edition with the SLP option. Give you a quick rundown here on the car and walk around. There's no major dings or dents that I can see. Maybe a few little scuffs on the bumper, maybe a light scratch or something like that. Nothing major that I can see. Paint's nice, no accidents. I don't see many rack chips here, boy. Might be a few little, no, that's actually wax that didn't get wiped off, I believe there, but maybe a scuff or something like that down there, but very, very nice. Wheels are nice. And that been curved or anything like that on that one. That wheel's nice. And that wheel's nice. And that wheel is very, very nice. I don't see any cracks or stars in the windshield. I'll do a second video here in a second with the car started and running.